Does your phone also make a sound when you shake it? And it's not just iPhones, it's Samsung's too. Weird, right? At first I thought maybe it's because of the amount of times I've dropped these phones and something snapped off inside, but no. Apparently these phones are supposed to make those noises. The first reason being is the image stabilization in your cameras. That little camera has to move like that because every time you walk and make a video, the camera stabilizes your footage. So it looks like you're floating and not walking. And if you want to make sure that it's the camera that's making that noise, if you go to your camera app and go to video, turn on the action button and shake your phone again. Nothing. And I checked Samsung too, and it's not the same. While I'm on action mode, if I shake the phone, you can still hear it. And again, I got worried, but no, I shouldn't be. And that's because the S25 Ultra has multiple moving lens systems all at once. The main camera with the stabilization, zoom lens that has its own floating prism, and the autofocus motors on several cameras. So if you shook your phone and it made noise, don't freak out.